Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to blow dry hair at home. Firstly, blow dry against the natural direction of your hair to lift the roots and avoid them lying flat against your scalp. Section your hair to speed up the drying process, especially for thicker hair. Roll each section of hair around a round brush, moving from top to bottom. Keep your hair dry and moving back and forth over the section until it's completely dry. Make sure each section is 100% dry before moving on to the next to avoid any flatness later on. Finally, finish with a single product of your choice: gloss, serum, cream, oil, or hairspray. Don't overdo it to maintain blowout's volume and smoothness. With these tips, your hair will have great body and shine, just like at the salon. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.